So it's a third part. We continue to talk about blockchains, what is blockchain technology, and how does it works. Uh, proof of work. In a blockchain, each block consists of four main headers: previous hash, the hash address located the previous block, transaction detail of all the transactions that need to occur, nonce, an arbitrary number given in cryptography to different tables the block's hash address of the block, all the above. It's processing hash, transaction details, and nonce are transmitted through a hashing algorithm. This gives an output containing a 25 6-bit 64 characters length weight, which is called the unique hash address. Consequently, it is referred to as the hash of the block. Numerous people around the world try to figure out the right hash value to meet a predetermined condition using computer algorithm. The transaction completes when the permission condition is met. To put it more painfully, blockchain miners attempt to solve a mathematical puzzle, which is referred to as proof of work problem. Whoever solves it first gets a reward. Mining. In blockchain technology, the process of adding transactional details to the present digital public ledger is called mining, so the term is associated with the Bitcoin. It is used to refer the other blockchain technologies as well. Mining involves generating the hash of a block transaction, which is to forge, terribly ensuring the safety of the entire blockchain without needing a central ecosystem. History of blockchain. Satoshi Nakamoto, whose real identity still remains unknown to date, first introduced the concept of blockchain in 2008. The design continued to improve and evolve, with Nakamoto using a hash-like method. It eventually became a primary component of Bitcoin, a popular form of cryptocurrency, where it serves as a public ledger for all network transactions. Bitcoin blockchain file sizes, which contained all transactions, all records on the network, continued to grow subsequently. By August 2014, it had reached 20 gigabytes and eventually exceeded 200 gigabytes by early 2020. Advantage as disadvantage of blockchain. Advantage. One major advantage of blockchains is the level of security it can provide, and also means that blockchain can protect and secure sensitivity data from online transaction. For anyone looking for speedy and convenient transaction, blockchain technology offers this as well. In fact, it only takes a few minutes, whereas other transaction method can take several days to complete. There is also no third-party interference from financial institutions or government organizations, which many users look at as an advantage. Disadvantage. Blockchain and cryptography involves the use of public and private keys, and reportedly there have been problems with private keys. If a user loses their private key, they face numerous challenges, making this one disadvantage of blockchain. Another disadvantage is the scalability restriction, as the number of transactions per node is limited. Because of this, it can take several hours to finish multiplayer transaction and other tasks. It can also be difficult to change or add information after it's recorded, which is another significant disadvantage of blockchain. How is blockchain used? Blockchain store information on monetary transaction using cryptocurrencies, but they also store other types of information, such as product tracking and other data. For example, food product can be tracked from the moment they are shipped out and also out their journey and up until final delivery. This information can be helpful because if there is a contaminant outbreak, the source of outbreak can be easily traced. It's just one of many ways that blockchain can store important data for organization. How to invest in blockchain technology? Blockchain technology and stocks can be to investment, and there are several ways to take the next step toward making your first blockchain investment purchase. Bitcoin is typically the first thing that comes to mind when it comes to investing in blockchain technology, and it shouldn't be overlooked. Aside from Bitcoin, there is also the option of investing in cryptocurrency penny stocks such as altcoin and litecoin. There are also certain apps and services that are in pre-development phase and that are using blockchain technology to raise funding. As an investor, you can buy coins with the exception that prices will go up the services app become popular. Another way to invest in blockchain technology is to invest in startups built on blockchain technologies. Finally, there is always the option to invest in pure blockchain technology. Although we just skimmed the industry-wide potential of blockchain application in this video, the career potential in this field is growing exponentially. Getting ahead of the game is always a good strategy for any professional. In this blockchain program, we learn how to master blockchain concept, techniques, and tools like Truffle, Ethereum, to build blockchain application and network. Thank you for watching it and of third part.